Welcome to watch this video transfer setting tutorial. Prepare the SIYI devices that have been paired. Connect the device to the power supply to complete the startup. Open the UniGCS ground station software again. The main screen will display information from the SIYI, the real-time picture of the gimbal camera. At the same time, upper right corner of the screen, the current image transmission signal strength value will be displayed in real time. It is worth noting that this value will increase with the distance traveled. Produce corresponding changes. Can intuitively reflect the quality of real-time image transmission links. Click the menu button in the upper right corner of the software interface. Select the remote control settings icon. Swipe down the page to the bottom. Click the picture transfer settings option to enter the configuration interface. In the image transfer settings interface, provides multiple customizable adjustment options, including image transmission working mode, image transmission downlink bandwidth, operating band adaptive wireless channel, ground IP for image transmission, picture transmission SIYI IP, and image transmission encryption algorithm. You can choose from the specific requirements of the current task. Flexible adjustment of these parameters. Match the actual scene. Special reminder, if you choose to set the operating frequency band to SUB2G, please be sure to confirm in advance. This frequency band is used. It fits your area. Relevant regulations on the management of local radio licenses. Combine frequency band after compliance operation.